To test Azure SQL Scale Out, start by understanding the concept of scaling out, which involves distributing workload across multiple databases to improve performance and availability. Azure SQL Database provides a built-in feature called Elastic Database Pools that enables you to scale out your database. First, create an Elastic Database Pool by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to your Azure SQL database server. Then, click on Elastic Pools and create a new pool, specifying the desired service tier and performance level. Next, create a database that will serve as the shard map manager, which is responsible for managing the distribution of data across multiple databases. To shard your data, you need to decide on a sharding key, which is a column in your database that will be used to determine the database where each row of data will be stored. Then, use the Elastic Database Client library to create a shard map, which is a mapping of the sharding key to the corresponding database. Once you have sharded your data, you can test the scalability of your database by simulating a large workload. You can use a tool like Azure SQL Database's built-in benchmarking tool or a third-party tool like HammerDB to generate a large amount of traffic to your database. To monitor the performance of your database, use the Azure portal to view metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and query performance. You can also use the Elastic Database Client library to monitor the performance of individual databases and adjust the shard map as needed to optimize performance. Best practices for testing Azure SQL Scale-Out include starting with a small number of databases and gradually increasing the number as needed, monitoring performance closely to avoid overloading the database, and using automation tools to simplify the process of creating and managing multiple databases. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively test the scalability of your Azure SQL database and ensure that it can handle large workloads.